Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Python project on Netlify. Ensure your Python app is compatible with the static deployment. Now, create a GitHub repository for your Python project if you don't have one already. Push your project to the GitHub repo. Next, go to Netlify and sign in with your GitHub account. Here, click New Site from Git, then select your GitHub repository. Set up build options. Specify the build command as shown on the screen and the published directory. Configure the runtime in the runtime.txt file to specify your Python version. Later, click Deploy Site and Netlify will start building and deploying your project automatically. After deployment, visit your Netlify URL to confirm the Python app is live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.